Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Economist Dr. Damian is arguing that cryptocurrencies may do more good for the economy than bad. He was speaking yesterday on the latest episode of The Exchange, a financial gleaner and JNN Business Forum. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
This is the cautionary advisory issued by the Bank of Jamaica earlier this year. In it, the Bank of Jamaica advised the public to exercise caution in the use of virtual currencies like Bitcoin. A virtual currency is a type of unregulated digital money. They don't physically exist. You can't pick up a Bitcoin and hold it in your hand or pull one out of your wallet. But it doesn't mean they aren't worth anything. Economist Dr. Damian argues that there's more to gain than lose by using virtual currencies.
To the extent that cryptocurrency allows illegal and evil activity, that doesn't give it a disadvantage over cash. And it does have the advantage that on the blockchain, all transactions are recorded. So that adds to the security of cryptocurrency.
In its advisory, the Bank of Jamaica pointed out that virtual currencies cannot be used to make payments, but the economist says they could boost economic activity.
Cryptocurrencies are a technology that allows us to do something that we have to do that is integral to all our economic activities more cheaply and more efficiently. Whenever you do that in an economy, whenever you take an activity that people want to do or have to do, and you find an easier and cheaper way to do it, it's good for the economy. That raises productivity and that facilitates transactions.
He says the correspondent banking issues plaguing the financial sector would be a thing of the past if virtual currencies had greater acceptance.
It is easily exchanged. In particular, it can be exchanged across borders to make payments in one country to vendors in another country. So it is looking like potentially a good candidate to be money. And in addition to all of that, like many of the monies that we had in the past, including gold and silver, it is not issued by a governing authority.
There are around 2,071 different virtual currency, and over 14 countries have fully endorsed cryptocurrencies. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
The Jamaica Promotions Corporation's JAMPRO has appointed an honorary investment advisor to increase business between Jamaica and India. The advisor is expected to promote Jamaica's exports and will work on behalf of the government. The partnership was signed by JAMPRO and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade. The recruitment is part of JAMPRO's strategy to expand Jamaica's reach in international markets and increase awareness of business opportunities in Jamaica. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in November went down by $1.40 to settle at $68.63 a barrel. In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar pushed back 4 months of depreciation today. The local currency continues to strengthen against the U.S. counterpart, with the greenback selling for $131.54. The Canadian dollar sold for $101.42. The pound ended the day selling at $172.72, while the euro closed the day at $152.62 on average. The JSE index lost 11,495 points today, while the junior market index declined 63 points. Stocks posting gains include AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Caribbean Cement, Derrimon Trading, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance, and Iron Rock Insurance. Among the losers, 138 Student Living, 1834 Investment, Blue Power Group, CAC 2000, Elite Diagnostic, GUS Corporation, Indies Pharma, and Jamaica Producers. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.